Hi, in this video I'm going to troubleshoot and fix error 14 on Ninebot Segway Kickscooter F20 series and trying to fix it.
So I have purchased a cheap throttle replacement from AliExpress. It's pretty cheap. It came in about for $12. So we will be installing this new throttle onto this kick scooter. So first of all, we will need to remove this handlebar.
So now you will try to rotate the rubber part and try to pull it so that it can be taken apart.
Okay, so this has come out. Now you will need to unscrew the one that's in the bottom, the screws over here. So
So now here we are going to remove the screen because the cables are under there. So for that we will need a screwdriver and a blade because sometimes there is a glue. So do the blade across the screen first and then uh, try to put the screwdriver under the screen and try to lift up evenly from all four corners. Do not force it. Just go slowly and gently and try to lift it. Here I'm using a bigger screwdriver so that the screen can come apart easily and without any damage on it. And under the screen there will be uh, cables, and we will see further how to identify which cable is for the throttle. So the screen has been taken down now, and I'm looking at the right cable for the throttle button. So here I'm looking for green, red and blue cable, and it was unplugged. So I found out that it was unplugged, and now I will try to reconnect it and see if it's gonna work. So here I found that the inner cable of the plug was bent, so I will grab a small screwdriver kit and make it straighten and try to reconnect that plug and see if the scooter gonna work. If not, then I have already ordered a new throttle button and I will install that one. So need to make sure it's plugged in. So when I opened the screen, I found out that the throttle cable was disconnected and the plug cable was not straight. So I straightened it and plugged it back in, and it started working fine. Now to once it is all secured, you need to put the screen back, and to put it back, make sure the screen is all aligned from all three sides, and just press it back in. So here I tested and the scooter was working fine. It was not the problem with the throttle, it was the connection was not it was disconnected. That was So once the plug is reconnected, I will try to put the screen back on. So put the screen back on, press from all four sides evenly and make sure it's clicked on properly and it's secure to travel. And now I have turned on the scooter and there are no any error marks anymore, and it's coming up with all speed modes, and I have to try to turn it off, turn it back on again, and there is no error 14 anymore, and we have successfully fixed. So it's the time to put the handlebar back in again, and just to make sure you align that uh, rubber onto the handlebar and try to squeeze the handlebar back in again, and it will be requiring a little bit of force because there is no screws, and uh, if it's easy then it will come out anytime.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video helped. It ends up pretty well that I did not have to replace the whole throttle, and it was just a minimum issue, and you won't be able to find out until you actually open it up. So it was a pretty simple step, and hope it helped you. And if you like this video, please do share and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you. Bye.